Hey everybody, welcome to day 3 of our Halloween countdown. It feels like it's been so much longer. So before we get started, I wanted to share some new releases that we have today. We have a lot of new acrylic items, new acrylic pen stands, and keychains. They are at a special discounted price from Sunday to Monday, so make sure to check it out. So today I am planning in my Hobonichi A5 cousin to set up for the week. And I am planning in the daily section. We are going to do a weekly coming up soon because I know that section is really popular. I'm using this really old glitter bundle kit I got from SPC a really long time ago. I have a lot of old stickers in my collection that I really want to use. The colors of this kit fit in really well with the kit that I pulled. I am using Spooky Kawaii, that is from my shop, and I have something special in the works currently with figuring out how to do like a really fun journaling kit. It's going to be a new style, so make sure to stay tuned for that. It's going to include like the full boxes and deco and some kind of journaling elements if you plan a little bit more freeform. So yeah. So I'm pulling in our full boxes along with the sticker bundle came with glitter full boxes, and the colors were just absolutely perfect. And that is my really cute locker that I got from Amazon, and the magnets on top. Somebody asked me that actually yesterday where they're from, and they are from Korea. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm out of the frame, I'm sorry guys, but I'm using some of the washi. That washi is also from Korea, I believe. They have such cute stationery, and I'm so happy to be like actually incorporating them into my spreads versus never using them. So I took some of the quarter labels to use as date labels. They didn't fit perfectly, but they fit in pretty like well enough, and I just went and wrote down the days of the week. And I'm just decorating the bottom area with the deco in full boxes. So usually I would say that you should kind of plan out your days first before laying down deco so you know you have enough room. However, the Cousin A5 daily section is huge. It's really large. So I know I'm going to have enough room, which is why I am decorating first, just to kind of like get a feel for the area. But I am leaving the dated the numbered areas alone because that is where I'm gonna write the to-dos. That washi is from my shop, that checkered washi. So I'm leaving some areas bare where I'm going to be writing my to-dos, and on the right side where there is a lot of room, I'm going to be writing down events and also like my journal. So I love the daily because it is so large. So at the end of the day, it's really nice to write down your thoughts and your feelings and just self-reflect on like your emotions, or just even write down what happened in the day. It always gives me like a peace of mind, and it helps with my mental health, honestly, just to journal a little bit. I personally really suck at journaling every single day. Sometimes I just do it very sporadically. Clueless, anyone? So it's nice to set up a planner, like set up an actual space where you know you're gonna journal. So I know I'm going to journal on the right side and then write my to-dos on the left. If I don't set up a planner, it is such an excuse to just not really write in it because it's a blank page and you're just like, you know what I mean? But since I already like wrote down each day of the week and decorated for every day, it gives me more of a push to keep up with my planner, which is kind of like one of the reasons why I really enjoy having a planner slash journal, and decorating it. The only planner that I don't decorate is my business, like my work planner, because oh my gosh, it is so messy. I just write in pen. I just write like all the ideas. Sometimes I have an idea for something I want to do 2 months ahead. So I would say my work planner is slightly more of a brain dump, whereas my planner kind of encompasses everything. So I write down like the main things I need to finish in work, And then in my work planner, I write down more details. And then in this planner, I would also write down like my life chores, like laundry and boring stuff like pay for insurance. So, yeah. I used my mild liners. In my last video, I kept calling them mid liners. I don't know why I keep wanting to do that. So they are mild liners. So I finished setting up for the week in decoratively wise, and right now I'm going through Monday. So since today is Sunday, I just have a better idea of what I want to get done Monday. So I personally love working chronologically. I think that it's so much better for productivity if you section out your day by time. So in the morning when I get up, I really enjoy going to work immediately. It always makes me feel better when I know that I have had a few hours already of work and then I go take a break later. There's this tip in productivity that I learned that is called like eating the frog. And it kind of means that you do the worst task or the task that you least want to do in the morning. You get it out of the way and you feel so much better throughout the day because you already got it out of the way. Like, for instance, if there's something that you have to do that day and you didn't do it yet, it's gonna be on the back of your mind the whole entire day. And it's just not gonna feel good because it feels like you're procrastinating a little bit, even though you are doing other things. So I like doing or like just getting out of the way the one task that I need to get done that I like maybe don't really want to do. So that could honestly sometimes be like taking out the trash. It could be really simple. And I don't know what it is. I hate taking out the trash. I know it's not really time consuming, but it's just something about it I really dislike. But when I do it like first thing in the morning and I come back, I feel so much better. I feel ready to take on the day. So that is one of my favorite tips that I like kind of doing in my day. I'm gonna take some quarter labels and I'm gonna go in to go and write down like the highlight of the day. I enjoy doing that because it just makes me really happy just to put like a little thing. It could be something I'm just really grateful for. It could be really small. It could like, oh, I had a really great lunch today and I enjoyed myself. Or one of my best friends texted me first saying that she was thinking about me. Something little like that. I really like looking back on. I used to have a rings planner and I used to have like a one line a day highlight sheet where I wrote down just like something little every single day. And I kind of miss doing that. So that's why I put those quarter boxes down. I'm going to do it for every day as well. Also, in the Monday zone, I'm going to also write down the goals for the week. Since it is the start of the week, I just wanted to write down my work goals and my personal goals. And I doodled an airplane with a banner. I suck at doodling like in person. I am much better at drawing on a tablet. And I know that's like so weird. I mean, back in the day, we didn't have tablets. So I would always doodle in class on my paper. And when I switched over to like learning how to draw digitally, I sucked at it. It was so hard just to switch over to like a like electronic pencil. It was so weird. But now it's flip-flopped where I'm so much more used to drawing on a tablet and I cannot draw on paper anymore. It's like one or the other. Because this, I don't know what it is, like the way you draw and doodle is just a little bit different than digitally and in person. And I guess I'm just so used to doing it digitally that I cannot do it in person anymore. So, yeah. I'm going in with some 10mm washi to section out the day. So I wrote down my goals and then I also wrote down today, because that's the area where I'm going to journal. And then every day I'm also going to go in with my highlights. First, I am highlighting the area up top. I'm using my mild liner. I switch off from using my mild liner and my Tombow. I love both of them. I think when I want to do like an ombre kind of look, I like using my Tombow to blend. But when I just want to do like a line, like a block of line, I really love the mild liners. It's funny because I never wanted the mild liners. They became so popular like a few years back, you know, and I think they're really pretty and they're really aesthetic. But I was like, I already have too many supplies. I'm not gonna buy any. And then last year when I went to Korea, they just had so many, and everything in Korea is so cheap. I think the mild liners were just a lot cheaper than if I were to get it in the States. So I ended up buying like a pack of pastel colors and some individual colors as well. I'm also pulling in some cute emoji doodle stickers from thecoffeemonsterzco. So cute. And then I got this notepad. So adorable. This was from Korea, and I am writing down my grocery list because I don't like meal plan perfectly. I just like taking a list of ingredients with me to the store. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me set up my planner for the week. And thanks so much for watching. Bye!